fields where the tall grass grows, Dale kept his mower that everybody knows. One summer morning the mower was gone. A mystery started at the break of dawn. Old Dale scratched his head looking around. Tracks in the dirt heading eastbound. Rumors in town says strange word. Fidel's in town with a plan unheard. Fidel Castro stole Dale's lawnmower clean. He's building himself a small submarine with bolts and gears from an old machine. He's sailing off like a wild dream. Down by the river, near that old barn, Dale saw Fidel working his charm. Hammering metal, fixing a propeller, turning that mower to a sea-dwelling fella. Dale stood amazed, couldn't believe his eyes. Fidel's big plans took him by surprise. With a wink and a nod, they shook hands. Dale's mower was part of some big dreams and plans. Fidel Castro stole Dale's lawnmower clean. He's building himself a small submarine with bolts and gears from an old machine. He's sailing off like a wild dream. Dale's lawnmower clean. He's building himself a small submarine with bolts and gears from an old machine. He's sailing off like a wild dream.